Should the Magnum still be around? Would you consider buying a Magnum if Dodge reintroduced it? Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. Now today what we're going to do is highlight the Dodge Magnum. I've had quite a few videos up on this channel, and what I'm going to do is condense it down into this one video. You're going to see all kinds of builds and racing footage and SRTs, RTs, all that kind of stuff. But the other day I was searching Google and came across a couple of SRT Magnums that put Charger body kits on it. Now one of them has the 2015 plus SRT kit, and the other one has the 2012 to 2014 SRT body kit. Now the one that was 2015 plus was on another YouTube channel called YouTubing on a Budget.
Boy Jamal with me. Man, I've been talking about this in the past videos. I'll let y'all see it.
And this Magnum has a 6.1 V8 Hemi on there with a Pro Charger, so it's making some really nice power.
Charger front end on the Magnum. I'm gonna let him talk about what he done to it. It is Pro Charged, as you can see right here. What kind of Pro Charger is that? It's a D1. Oh, D1? Yeah, D1 Pro Charger. All right, man, just talk about what you got done to it. I see the front end.
Well, first off, it's just a regular SRT 8 Magnum. Engine's bone stock. Nothing done to the engine other than just adding the Pro Charger to it. You know, 173,000 miles on it too.
Oh, damn.
Yep. It's got a built transmission. It's got a upgraded rear end. What else?
That's the one that you saw in the beginning of the video doing the burnout. Now the red one has the 2012 to 2014 SRT body kit. Both look outstanding. Absolutely love it. But I really wanted to show you guys what the Magnum would look like, or generally look like, if it was in production today. And I thought it would be interesting to show you guys that. If you have any questions, both of their Instagrams are going to be in the description below. Amazing builds. And guys, definitely let me know what you think in the comments below.
Rod rookie, stand by. Southern Hot Rod rookie, stand by. We will call you shortly for your first time run session.